The crypto market is pumping right now here, but while this is happening, we can see that a total of 2.2 billion US dollars is in total pending withdrawal for Ethereum, and I will be exactly discuss what this means for Bitcoin, because this could be meaning that we are going to see a 2 billion US dollar sell order going to get activated in the coming weeks ahead of ourselves. So make sure to watch this video till the end. I will talk about exactly what kind of effect this will have for Ethereum. I will talk, of course, about the Bitcoin dominance that right now is finally running in towards the resistance, and we are seeing that significant rejection, what could be right now indicating that an altcoin season is upon us. So I will be exactly discuss this on today's update video. Don't forget to slap up that like button. Can we once again smash it back above 600? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at the imminent short term for Bitcoin, we can clearly see we're starting to see a significant uptrend getting created for Bitcoin. And on the imminent short term, we can see that Bitcoin is starting to create somewhat of a bearish divergence on the 1 hour time frame. So for me, if I really look at the 1 hour time frame, I wouldn't really be surprised to see a small sideways price action or a small cool-off period happening for Bitcoin before eventually moving further on towards the upside, since right now we already are trading in a significant uptrend already for Bitcoin. If I really want to be seeing what is happening next, we can look at the 4 hourly time frame, because on the 4 hourly time frame we are clearly breaking out of the bull flag scenario. You can also see it actually on the 1 hour time frame, but on the 4 hourly time frame it looks a little bit more clear. The price target of this bull flag scenario is somewhere around 32,000 US dollars. What is from this point onwards another approximately 4% rise towards the upside. So I'm going to keep my eyes wide open on that one. It's going to be a very interesting one to be trading here. But currently, like I said also yesterday already, I already do think it's actually too late to be opening up a long position, because also if you're looking at the 4 hourly time frame and purely at the momentum indicators, we can currently see that Bitcoin is creating a significant bearish divergence after creating and confirming higher highs on the 4 hourly time frame and lower highs on the RSI. I should be very careful right now with trading Bitcoin in long positions, because yeah, we are clearly seeing that momentum is potentially drying up and we're seeing some reversal indicators of such kind of a bearish divergence. So please be very much aware, we are currently creating a bearish divergence, and this is not necessarily the time to be opening up big positions. For me to open up a new big position on Bitcoin, I really want to be seeing, of course, a potential retest of that 28,000 US dollar barrier, or maybe of 25 or 26,000 $6,000, what I don't really think is likely to get reached anymore right now here. But I don't really think that it is a smart opportunity right now to long Bitcoin. I would rather wait a little bit here to see a clear retest for me to exactly long that level right there. Currently, we can see that Bitcoin is bouncing towards the upside, and if you want to be trading these moves here, you can do so on Bybit. If you sign up an account in the link in the description right now, you can actually claim a 30,000 US dollars deposit bonus, and you can also trade Ethereum that is extremely volatile right now, and what is also allowing us good trading opportunities. Because talking about Ethereum before going into Bitcoin, we do right now know that the Bitcoin dominance is right now running in towards resistance, what could be providing some more momentum for altcoins, and not only Ethereum, but also many other altcoins that you can actually start to be trading very well, because they will probably start to outperform Bitcoin, just like Ethereum is doing today, because Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin by over 5% on only already this day. And if we do see this rejection from the top side, it would be actually likely to see the Bitcoin dominance move down towards the lower region of 39% here, what could be meaning an entire bull run for all the altcoins out there on the market. We can see currently on Ethereum is that we broke out of the symmetrical triangle, and currently we're running in towards this next resistance range, right? I can even extend this level and can clearly see this was previously resistance, previously around support right here, resistance right here, and currently yet again we are retesting this level, what I personally think is a huge level of resistance. You can see it also on the daily time frame. We're currently retesting the previous daily high, and this was also previously around the daily low for the Ethereum price action. So if I really look at the level, what Ethereum really needs to break in order to see that bullish continuation, it's going to be that $2,130 for Ethereum. You can see here, this was the level we got rejected from and saw that very significant drop off towards the downside towards. So if we confirm the break break above this level, it's going to be most certainly be very bullish for Ethereum. But what I still want to be pointing out here is that if I look at the Ethereum Shanghai unlock here, we do know that currently an approximately 70 million Ethereum is currently staked on Ethereum 2.0 on the beacon chain, and that is approximately 15% of the total supply. However, right now we can see that an approximately 1 million Ethereum is still pending for withdrawal, and that is an approximately 366,000 validators that currently are processing a withdrawal. So this is 2.2 billion US dollars worth of Ethereum, and this could generate most certainly sell pressure. But what is very important to understand here is that in the next 11 hours we will only see 52,000 Ethereum getting unlocked, because if you know how it works, there is an Ethereum exit queue. So if all the validators want to actually leave at the same time, it will take more than 500 days for all the people to leave the queue. So it really takes some time before the sell pressure really occurs on the market. So yes, there is an approximately 1 million Ethereum pending for withdrawal, but this could take up to an approximately 10 days before this withdrawal is fully processed. So yeah, we could see in the coming 10 days an approximately 2.3 billion US dollars in Ethereum sell pressure occur to the market. And like we can currently also see is that the net staking balance is still minus 140k. It's not that bad here because it's only like a slight decreasement of the total deposit. So I don't really think it's a bad thing here. We're seeing a slight decreasement in total Ethereum staked. I wasn't surprised by it, but what I really want to be pointing out here is that I see some posts here on the internet what is really telling us a different story. Some people are saying, oh, there is right now more Ethereum getting deposited than withdrawal, but that is not true because there is an entire huge queue for Ethereum that is actually willing to leave the market. So make sure that you do your research as well on what this exactly means here. But I see some influencers, some people on the internet saying that Ethereum is only seeing more deposit than withdrawals, but it's actually not true because we can also clearly see it on this website right here. The net staking balance is still negative, and we can still see that approximately 2.2 billion US dollars in sell pressure will be hitting the market in the coming 11 to 12 days here. So be very much aware for that one here. To be very honest, am I bullish on Ethereum? Yes, I am. For the long term, I am most certainly bullish. If I look at the Ethereum supply growth, we do know from off the point the merge went in, we saw already a supply decreasement of 0.123% here. What is the supply change of 85,000 Ethereum? What is quite significant in my opinion. And if we're going to be looking at the forecast, we're expecting that Ethereum will become more and more deflationary over time. So yeah, I do think Ethereum is a good long-term investment, and I do think eventually Ethereum is going to see a more significant rally. Only right now in the imminent short term, we could see some significant sell pressure hit the market here. So I don't want you to front run the markets. I want you to be staying a little bit patient here. Am I bullish on Ethereum? Yes, most certainly. Do I think that this is the best time to be buying all your Ethereum? No, I don't think so. We are actually entering overbought territorium, and usually once Ethereum goes overbought or any asset goes overbought, you should maybe take it with a grain of salt, and you should maybe wait for the market to cool down to be then looking at your entry prices. So yeah, I'm currently very cautious. Of course, I can see all these kinds of signals happening here for Bitcoin as well. I mean, we are currently running still in towards weekly resistance. I mean, if we do break above it, it's going to be absolutely bullish for Bitcoin, and it's going to be most certainly indicate we're going to see a further continuation up here. But on the daily time frame, we're also still seeing the MACD is creating lower highs. The MACD moving average is creating lower highs. So we are still clearly seeing a somewhat of a momentum divergence getting created here on the price section of Bitcoin. I want to take these signals very seriously right now here. We're seeing a similar movement getting created just like we saw previously around here. And I mean, I'm not saying that Bitcoin or Ethereum has to crash towards the downside. I'm only expecting that it is going to be good if we at least see some more sideways consolidation after such a significant rally towards the upside. So that was it for me in today's update video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to slap up the like button if you want to be trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any altcoins that are most certainly going to be having very good trading opportunities in the coming days ahead of ourselves. Don't forget to check out Bybit, and you can right now also claim a 30,000 US dollars deposit bonus, so make sure to check it out. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.